Tapos na.
Dami tao.
Great concert.
Saan tayo? Dami ka.
Traffic.
Hi guys! Kami ay
Ito naman ang
Poy Poy. We're going to watch a movie. Anong movie papanoorin?
Insidious.
Insidious.
Oh,
Yeah. So it's scary
Diba
movie.
tabi no living?
Hayaan mo sila. Yan. We're in the parking lot. Going to the elevator. Ay, hindi pala nag-elevator. Diretso na. Ayan guys, ito. Today is Friday. Friday. Yeah, we're vlogging the horror movie. I know. Wala na, no? No more. Oh my God, nakakatakot. Wala na. Wala nang laman ng Tanforan. We're in Tanforan Century Theater kasi ito lang ang may available seats. Everything is full. Where's Daddy? Yan. Tanforan lang. Yes, it's open. Go, go, go. Yan. We're gonna get some snacks. Ayo, $5. Bakit? Bucket. Okay, get your popcorn. Alin? Ano yan? Filipino?
Yeah, and then the popcorn. Thank you.
Yes. I like this one too. Nacho. What
There's no
are
hot.
you?
There's no hot dog.
No hot dog.
You have to ask them.
Oh, you have to ask them. Dito tayo. 8.55 pesos.
There's ads.
May ice.
Pepperoni. Asan ang popcorn niya?
We got our popcorn. Yay! What's that? Ano yan?
Ice.
Ice. Ice.
Blue ice.
Popcorn. Popcorn. Yummy. Popcorn.
Ano yung nantay mo?
Ano? Chicken tenders. We're waiting for chicken tenders.
I don't see.
Yummy.
There's the popcorn.
One. No, thank you.
Thank you.
There you go, guys. Ang fam is ready. Saan tayo? Sit. The other side. Other side. There you go. The fam. Katayo yung buhok ko. Tinan. The fam is ready. The fam is ready. Ready to rumble.
Are we up? On top?
Siguro. Number 6 tayo. Dito.
It was
8:55. Number 6. There you go. Play start here. And then, number 6. Let's find number 6. This way. Number 4. Where is it? Oh my God. Other mommy will fall. Where's number 6? May Odyssey pa rin? Have you watched the Odyssey? No? Yeah?
Did you?
No? Yes? Yes. There you go. Here's our movie. 8:55.
It wouldn't be the movies without Disney, but I'm wrapping things up. I hope you enjoyed our original pop culture content, games, and music trip.
Okay, we're done. Oh! We're done. Done. Huh? Street Fighter. Next movie. Street Fighter. Ano, what do you think of the movie?
That's okay.
Was okay? It was good? Good for you? You like it?
I was
Boring.
hoping the dog wouldn't die.
I know.
I was already
dog.
crying.
Oh, if the dog dies, you're gonna cry.
I always cry when the dog dies.
Oh, it was okay. Sa cinema. It's 11 o'clock na. Pauwi na kami. Bye.
Yan. 3GG.
Bayad kami. Parking. So, ang plano namin today is kakain ng breakfast. It's 9 a.m. na. Galing kami sa Trader Joe's. Bumili ng as usual. Ngayon nasa San Francisco kami at we'll try anong restaurant?
Son.
Son.
S-O-H-N.
Sean restaurant. Let's try.
Korean.
Sa
Breakfast.
Korean, puro ano. Diyan kami pupunta sa American Industrial Center. Ayan na. Come on. Let's walk. Dito kami kakain. Sa Sean.
Sure. Son.
Son.
S-O-H-N.
Sorry naman.
Bakit nakahilid yan?
Anong tagilid? Dito kami kakain. Let's try. Kay Aling Sean. Aring ko. Ayan. Diyan. Ang simple naman ng ano nila. Ang simple naman ng...
Ako. Ano picture gusto mo?
So, pinaakyat kami. Dito daw ang waiting area. Ay. So, dahil first time namin, dito daw ang order. So, QR code. Ayan. May QR code. Tapos, ano talaga siya, parang bodega. Ang style niya, parang bodega. Parang siyang bodega.
Gusto mo? Ito.
Mo-order na siya. Ilan yung in-order mo?
Saan ordering?
Ha?
Melon ng matcha latte.
Yan ang ano niya. Ganyan ang itsura. Oh, may events sila. Oh, events and workshops. Scan to order. So, kapag order ka, scan man lang to. At sa likod, meron din silang mga events and workshops. Ayan. Tickets available. Nakabili pala. Artworks. Ayan, order! Order natin ang
Ayan, tawag dito.
egg. Ang laki. Ang laki niya. Let's try cookies. Guys, ang haba na ng pila. Buti na lang, maaga kami. Yan. We're going to our next, next destination is Auckland! Yay! Meron pasalubong. Punta doon kasi may pasalubong. Pasalubong si Francis. Let's see kung anong pasalubong. Doon kami kumain sa Sean. Mahaba na ang pila.
Okay lang.
Busog.
Expensive.
Expensive, busog. Siya yung restaurant na pupuntahan mo ng lang.
Isang beses.
Isang beses lang.
Okay naman yung drinks.
Ay naman yung
lang.
drinks.
Yung food is too strong.
Anong toast? Ano ibig sabihin ng
Yung
toast?
taste. Because it's
Tasty.
Korean.
Nakalimutan namin pindutin.
Siyempre, we ordered the kimchi rice.
Kimchi rice.
Saka yung
bread.
bread
Na may egg. Yung parang fluffy eggs.
Punjab Japanese.
Parang ganun.
Okay lang. Pabalik pa naman siguro.
Oo.
Once in a while. Hindi
Pagkasama yung mga bata, siguro magugustuhan nila. Yung ganun mga type nila eh.
not the
Tayo
daily-
kasi mga tayo, mga simple lang ang gusto natin.
Ako hindi simple.
Hindi daw simple.
Pagkatotoo.
Cute ng dogs. Ang ganda ng panahon. Yan ang Oracle Arena ng San Francisco. Yan. Dati siyang AT&T Park. Ngayon Oracle na. Tama? Yan.
San Francisco Giants.
Home of the San Francisco Giants. Ayan.
Baseball team.
Oracle. Di pa kami nakakapanood dyan ng baseball. Yan. Nasa San Francisco pa tayo. Going to Oakland. 23 minutes. May bibisitahin kami. Ayan ang Oracle Arena. na siya. Golden Gate Bridge. There you go. Ang tanong kung merong parking. Nandito tayo sa center. Welcome center. Yan siya.
Pay chip po. 206.
4 point.
Hindi tayo mag-umpisa ng go-kart dito. Baka mag-rent.
Dito ba kami pumunta ni Melon? Paano hindi kami dito pumunta? Ayan na siya guys. Wala kaming mahanap na parking.
Doon yung
Here. Wala
Hindi
kaming
rin
mahanap na
yan.
parking. Kasi na, 2:30 PM na. Excuse me. Okay guys, last stop is
first and last stop.
first and last stop namin. Target, bibili ng water. And then Trader Joe's. And then uwi na. Papahinga.
Baka wala ng bag.
Wala na sigurong bag dyan. Maybe. Ako kami sa Target. Diyan kami. Ay, hindi. Trader Joe pala sa Target. Punta kami Target.
Maybe.
Okay, mamaya na lang.
Okay, bye.
Babush.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys. Eto na. Ang pasalubong. Let's see. Okay. Ang laki ng boy bawang. Wow. Thank you kay Joanne at saka kay Francis. Meron kaming boy bawang na malaki. Ang paborito kong sunshine. Ang dami. Thank you. Salamat. Ayan. Tapos meron pang, ano to? Pili nuts. Wow. Pili nuts. Thank you. Maraming sunshine. Sunshine pa. Ayan. Ito. Ano to? Pansit ba to? Wow. Thank you. Lulutuin ni Daddy. Hindi ako nagluluto. So, kay Daddy yan. Wow, meron pang mangoes. Dried mangoes. Dried mangoes. More pili nuts. Yan. With honey. Pili nuts with honey. At saka green peas. Dami. Thank you, Joanne, Kids, tsaka kay Francis. Salamat. Ang paborito ko to. Ang paborito ng nanay. There you go. Boy bawang, pili nuts, dried mangoes, pansit bato, at green peas. Thank you.